Hi guys, welcome to the part B of PCF Control tutorial for beginners episode 3. This video we will see how you can enable PCF Control for a dataset in a model driven app. Now let's go back to the same opportunity entity. So there are two options I have mentioned. One is at subgrid level you can enable PCF Control, or you can enable at a view level. First we will see how I can enable at view level. Go back to the customization. So I have already opened products view. So in the view, you can see an option to add custom controls. Select the required custom control from here. Click on add control. Here I'm going to select aggregate grid. This is a custom control which I had developed, which is already available in the PCF gallery. So I'm adding this one. This one doesn't record any properties, so I don't have any I don't have to add any parameters. And I'm selecting for web forms. Okay. I'm saving and closing for now, and I need to publish as well. So I'm going to select and publish all customizations. So let's see, once it is published, we'll go and refresh the all products view. It's still publishing. Since I have selected publish all customization, it will take some time. So whenever you do a publish, make sure you publish the specific entity only, so that the publishing will be more faster. Not only that, there are some other parameters as well to consider when you click on publish customers customization. Like if there are other developers working in parallel, their customization will also be published. These are the basic things, so I'm not going to those steps. So I have published, so I'm refreshing the products page. Let's see what happens to the home grid of products. So it's refreshed and it's loading the products view. So mainly at view level it is selected, it is going to be reflected in the home grid of the view. So now you can see the out of the box or standard view has been changed, and see the parameters. These are from my custom control aggregate grid. So you can see it from here. So this is how we apply a custom control or PCF control at view level. Now we want to see how we can apply at subgrid level. So let's go back to the customization, and we need to open the form editor. So before opening the form editor, I want to tell you something. If you apply a custom control at view level, and if you're adding that view at the subgrid control or subgrid, always the control custom control added at the subgrid will take precedence, or it will be overridden by the view control you have added. So to explain that, let's say I'll take opportunity line, which is nothing the products at the opportunity, and I'm clicking on all opportunity products. But in my case, you can see I have already added aggregate grid this custom control for opportunity products, this view. Now go back to the opportunity form. Let's take the opportunity form. So in the opportunity form, you can see I have already added the same view here. Where is it? Let's take opportunity products. Let it load. Controls. No control has been added. Only readily control is enabled here. And at the view level, I have selected all opportunity products, which means at the view level, I have added aggregate grid custom control, and I have selected the same view at the subgrid. But for the subgrid level, I have selected read-only grid custom control. So this is already there, so I'm not gonna publish it now because I don't wanna. It will take some time, so I'm not gonna publish it now. You can see even though I have added for this view a custom control, and I haven't added any control at the subgrid level, so it is reflecting as a normal one, which means in a subgrid only the control added at the subgrid customization will be reflecting. So now let's go back to the subgrid customization, and I'm enabling editable grid from here. This this editable grid you guys are familiar. This is out of the box editable grid. So I'm not going to explain about the parameters and all. I'm just going and publishing this one. Let's see what happens. Done and published. Oh, I clicked again on publish. Okay, so now let's refresh the page. It's refreshing. Yes, it's taking some time. Let's wait. Yeah, it loaded. So let's go back to the products tab. Products. It's loading the subgrid. Now you can see we have enabled editable grid here. Let's see. So this is how you enable custom control at view level and also at subgrid level. And remember one thing, even though you have a control enabled for the view, you have to separately or explicitly enable the subgrid control. Then only it will reflect in the form. Okay guys, thank you. That's it for now. The next episode we'll be seeing how to create a new project using PCF Custom Control Builder, and we'll be discussing on each property in detail. Okay, thank you guys.